I'm Katie with WTI, and as a homeowner, I'm sure you know it's all about the curb appeal. We really needed to up the curb appeal of our home, and that's why we went with this light by Emliviar. I just love the way that it looks. It has seated glass, which to me looks very handmade, very bespoke, and just adds warmth to your home. The flat black metal lines really add an almost industrial look to it and give it a nice vintage feel. And then of course we added the amber light. So everything about this light to me says home. I was really impressed by the way that it was packaged. I did not have to worry one bit about the glass being broken because it was packaged so well. And it also fit our 3-inch lamp post perfectly. It came from a different brand, and sometimes you never know if those things are going to work together, but we didn't have any issues at all. We had completely replaced our lamp post with a much taller one, and so the wires that we had were a little bit short, so it was really nice that they give you such a long wire to work with the Emliviar light, because we were able to get them connected with a little bit of MacGyvering, and now the light works great and we never have to worry about it again. It's so nice to come home and see this inviting, warm, beautiful light out front. So if you're looking for some new lighting to up the curb appeal of your home, then check out this one by Emliviar. And that's my point of view.